In this tutorial, we'll show you how to record a voiceover for a video using your phone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. This works on both iPhone and Android, so no matter which device you might have, you can follow along. The first step is downloading an app called CapCut from whatever app store you might have, whether it's the App Store on Apple or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app up. Tap New Project and select the video you would like to overlay. When you add it, it'll automatically bring it to the editor. Next, tap Audio at the bottom. Scroll across and tap Record. Move the playback meter to wherever you would like the voiceover to start and tap the microphone icon to begin the voiceover. You may need to grant mic access if prompted. After a short countdown, begin speaking, and when you're done, tap the mic icon again to stop recording. It will show the audio directly below the video, and you can trim it to make it start at a different time, end at a different time, adjust the volume, delete, or even re-record if needed. If you're happy with it, just tap the check mark. To export, just hit export in the top right and your video will be saved to your gallery. That's how you can add voiceover to a video right from your phone.